Hey everyone, welcome to the SQL interview series of Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to write a query to find the minimum column value without using the minimum function. In our previous video we have written a query to get the maximum column value without using the maximum function. Similarly, we will be using the correlated query here to get the minimum column value without using a minimum function. So let's go to our SQL workbench first. So our question is to find the minimum column value without using the minimum function. So we will be using this same table which we have used in our previous video. So in this table we have marks, grade and roll ID, and we need to find out the minimum marks without using the minimum function. So to test our output, let's check what is the minimum value of the marks here. So the minimum value of marks is 9, right? Now what I need to do is that I need to use the correlated query to get the minimum value of this marks column. So first what I will do is that I'll simply put select distinct marks from SQL interview dot grade table. This will give me the distinct marks, right? As you can see earlier we had 15 record in this table, but after running this query distinct marks we have only 13 rows returned, right? Now what we can do is that we can put a condition saying that where 1 is equal to. Now within this evaluating condition we can put our subquery which will take a value or column marks from the outer query and check the minimum value. So I'll put select count distinct of marks from SQL interview dot grade table where marks is greater than equal to b dot marks. Okay, I need to give an alias for this table as A and this table as B, right? And I need to put A dot here. Now if I run this query, I should get 9 as an output, because what this query is doing is that it's getting the unique marks value in the column and then it compare this marks with the subquery's marks, and whichever is the lower will get returned. So let's run this query, and after running this query you can see that the marks is equal to 9. So this is how you can get the minimum value of a column without using the minimum function. If you want to practice more SQL interview questions, you can click on the right hand side of this video, or if you want to learn SQL from basics, you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.